Hey there. It's basically time for my truck to get another upgrade. Lately I've been bombing down hills a little bit more. Stuff's been getting a little bit more extreme, so I want to be able to get my butt further behind the seat. It's kind of a pain to have to stop constantly and raise and lower the bar. Basically to go uphill, I want the seat to be up all the way, and go down, I want it down all the way. So to fix this problem, I bought a dropper post by the Pacific Northwest. Cost about 2 Walmart bikes for it. But yeah, that should make my life a lot easier. Had to get a couple other parts, of course, because it's overpriced, so it doesn't come with anything. Had to get a seat bracket because I don't want a quick release anymore, because I don't want somebody to quick release and steal it, basically. And then I went with this handle here. It's kind of this is a little off-brand one, but it looked like it matched the style of my shifters that I already have on the bike here. On the Trek Marlin 7, from the 2020 and above, so the 20, 21, 22. Unfortunately, within warranty, you have to go with a external one. What you end up with is kind of a hybrid system. You got the holes here where you can go in, obviously, and that goes down under here. The problem is, on the 2019, you'd see that they actually added a hole back there, but for some reason after that year, there is no longer a hole. You could drill a hole back into the back end there, but it would void the warranty on the frame, and I don't actually want to do that. So I'm gonna go with a hybrid system. It's gonna be part in, part out. So it'll go in those side holes, just like these cables here. And then it's gonna come out here in the bottom and go all the way up the back end here. So I pretty much just need to get the bike seat off, pull the quick release there. I'm just gonna pull it up and off. And I'm gonna remove my grandpa seat from this bracket here because it uses the other style of bracket. The other thing I'm also gonna do is remove the quick release here. I'm gonna basically put the, I guess you would call it the slow release on, so it's wouldn't be so easy to steal. And there is the thing that costs about 2 Walmart bikes. It's also got a little bit of suspension, and that can be adjusted back here using this standard air press to air valve. You can go up to 300 psi or down to give you basically more squish when you went over bumps. It's supposed to be pretty good. I don't know. So be the judge of that. Start fitting it in. Yeah, unfortunately it does have to be out here at the front like this. That's interesting. It is what it is. Now I just need to add the lever over here and start the cabling. Kind of got that loosely on there. But yeah, kind of similar to that trigger over there. This one will be for the seat. Now I just gotta run the cabling for it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feed through this side, because luckily this dropper post actually takes the smaller end, so I can actually fit it all through there. Figure it'll be easier to hit the slot at the bottom than to try to come up and hit one of these holes. So I'm gonna try my luck on that and see how I can get a fish through. To make things a little bit easier, I'm gonna take off this little plastic front derailleur guide, because, well, I don't have one. But hopefully that should give me enough room that I should be able to get it through. Ah, nice. So basically took the third attempt. I had to kind of curve it in like a letter N coming into it, the wire, and then it came perfectly out of the bottom there. So nice. All right, now I just need to get it out and loop it up and around the back there, that way. Back up to the seat. Now I just gotta pop this little cover off here. Oh, there she goes. And now I'll just hook the wire back into there and put the cover back on. All right, good times. Yeah, that's not gonna quite work yet. I gotta get me some zip ties. But before I zip tie, I actually need to put the wire in. Come with this little noodle thing, so that goes in first. So it just goes like that, with the wire in the other end. So hook that up real quick, and I'm connected to the little lever there. Okay, now I just gotta take my seat off the old post and put it onto this one. I can test it out. And then I'll zip tie everything up. Got it all the way installed. Looks pretty good. Kind of wish they would have put this down along the back end there, but I guess that's where the tightening pieces, so kind of is what it is. But yeah, I got it running down back behind these two forks, and then I got the black zip tie there, and the other one on the bottom holding it, and of course then it loops around in. But yeah, and then of course give it the good old test. Woo, sweet. So now I'm gonna go test it. Okay, I used my old car to get my new bike down here to Westgate. Just gonna ride down this way. This trail leads off all to the trailheads, but I'm gonna take it down to Keefer Trail. Give that a try with the dropper post because it has some descents and climbs, so pretty much gonna be changing my seat on the fly. Should be fun. Made it to Keefer Hill, or as I'm gonna start calling it, Reefer Hill or Reefer Trail. I love the dropper post. That's sweet being able to change it up or down on the fly. Take a little bit getting used to, but I think it's one of those things that I'm probably never gonna want to go back to a normal seat, kind of like with tubeless. Now I don't want to ride with tubes anymore. But yeah, try to have a good day. Damn, I was setting up a shot with my bike on a kickstand. Decided to start turning on itself. I went ran towards it, but didn't catch it in time. Broke one of my bar ends. Son of a bitch. Well, it wasn't from a crash, it was from the bike crashing itself. I wasn't on it.